Welcome to Showbiz Extravaganza. This week's show is live from my narrowboat. Okay, so just going to give you a little bit of a tour. Here is the pointy bit of bow. In there I've got some sort of gas bottles for the cooking system. So that's a really strong thing. And there's a couple of gas bottles in there. You've got a couple of seats. If we have a look along here, we've got a nice, somebody's left me a bike with a scaffolding pole. And then we'll kind of look in our boat. Here we are. This is the lounge. We have a little dining table which can sort of go upon there. It's a bit of a mess at the moment. We're just trying to move stuff in for extra. So here's my sort of sitting round talking area. So we move on to the next area here, which is the kitchen. It was quite a nice kitchen. We've got a sink area. We have water. Yeah, we have water. And we've got some glassware. We've also got a microwave. Unfortunately, the oven has been condemned, so we can't use that straight away. We do have a fridge, which is, I think you would say that's a bit mouldy, but it actually still works. And a microwave of forms, a couple of cupboards, got nothing in there. Nice little cupboard down there. Nice sort of view outside. We also have a sound system of some sort to replace that. So if we sort of move down the boat, we then have our bathroom and sort of toilet. We have a very small bath and a shower on that. With little radiators throughout to keep warm, and a little bit to remain. Sort of next along, this is going to be my bedroom. We have quite a big bed in comparison to the others. So that's two of the berths. Again, a radiator, a couple of nice views. And then we have our next room, which has got, these are the berths, which are made out of chunky wood, but we may have to remove them dependent upon what's underneath them. So sort of random bookcase. Coming down here, we have a second loo with a shower and a nice area there. Got some space down there for toiletries. What I'm thinking about doing with this room is putting a washing machine here, so I need to check the measurements of that, and have it as a drying room. And then we have another room here. Again, it's got another bed in that, which we can sort of remove. That's a bit of my carpet. We can actually hear the engine on. Shut that down for a bit. We have our this is the central heating system, which is broken, so I need to replace that. And then we've got our cupboard, which has got our inverter, which is a very crazy way of installing something like that. And then this brings us out on the stern. So I've got quite a bit of area out there to get my sort of wheelchair on. So this is the boat.